In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence template. Whether you're a total newbie or just looking to brush up on your Confluence skills, you've come to the right place. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Confluence is a collaboration tool that allows teams to create, share, and collaborate on projects in one central location. It's a fantastic platform for maintaining organizational knowledge and enhancing team coordination. If you're working on a project that requires input from multiple team members, creating a Confluence page with a specific template can really streamline the process. First things first, once you're logged in, your next move is to click on the space you're currently working on. Now, Confluence spaces are essentially work areas for different projects or teams. If you don't have a space yet, don't worry. Confluence makes it easy to create a new one. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to assume you already have a space set up. Now, within your space, look for the option to Add Page. This is where the magic begins. Adding a new page is the first step to organizing your work on Confluence. This new page will be the home for whatever project or content you're planning to create. Once you click on Add Page, you'll notice a variety of templates to choose from. However, to see everything Confluence has to offer, click on All Templates at the bottom. Confluence templates cover everything from marketing plans to product requirements and meeting notes. They're designed to give you a head start with pre-formatted layouts and suggested content structures. From there, it's time to choose your template. Take your time browsing through the options. Consider what kind of content you need to create and pick a template that best suits your needs. Each template is tailored to help you organize your thoughts and information efficiently, so think about the structure that aligns with your project goals. Finally, once you've selected a template and customized it to your heart's content, it's time to hit Publish. Publishing your page makes it visible to your team or anyone else in your Confluence space, allowing for collaboration, feedback, and updates. This step marks the completion of your template setup, and now you're ready to roll. And there you have it, an easy, straightforward guide to creating a Confluence template. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Confluence is to explore and experiment. So don't hesitate to try different templates and find what works best for you and your team. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Happy templating, and see you in the next video.